Hey guys, you're your Urban Chick 1. So I am here today to review a wig that I just received from MyFirstWig. Yay! I am so happy this came. I have been wearing this head wrap for like 2 weeks now. So I purchased it, and I have my phone, so I purchased it online on April 1st, and today it's April 10th. So it took, I think it's basically around 5 to 8 business days. So be wary of that. So I will say, first thing, and I'm also reviewing, it's a Malaysian bob that was actually created by Raven. I think the last name is Elyse. It is 14 inches. It's natural hair color. I got texture silky, light brown lace. I will have all the specs in the description below. So yeah, first, it comes in this really nice box. So in the box, they give you a couple of free things. Well, first they gave me this, a wig stand. I might actually use it too. And then all these other little things they gave us free. So in the box, you get this purse. It's kind of like a makeup bag. Inside of it, they have a little like instructions on care, and then they have bobby pins. They gave me this small rat tail comb and also a elastic band, but I believe there should be an elastic band in the back of the wig, so we're gonna find out now. Also they gave me the wig cap, and the wig itself comes in this. So this is really convenient because honestly, all the other wigs I have, I actually do put them in a Ziploc plastic bag once I stop wearing it. So let me first take this off. So my hair is flat enough for this wig. And honestly, I always leave, for me personally, I always leave a little bit of hair out in the front because the whole plucking, and it's just, I just can't be bothered. I just want to put the wig on in the morning and go. I don't like doing I don't want to glue the wig down or anything like that, because once I braid my hair down, I want to be able to moisturize my hair every day. So, and yeah, usually I don't even do the wig cap either, but we're going to try it out today. Okay, so first thing, this is the wig right out the box. I would say first thing, let me show you. The parting is really nice. It looks very natural. They did not bleach the knots, which is okay. If I get I can always put like finishing powder or something like that. This is the inside of the wig. You know, you have your usual, the combs. There isn't a band here. I could have sworn with my first wig that they started putting the actual band inside. But, so yeah, I'm going to have to sew that down. Oh, comes with wigs, I'm so lazy. They do have the adjustable strap right here, which can be very helpful. So let's put it on. My legs falling asleep. Ooh, child. So yeah, this is it. Now, I will say when Raven had it on, it looked a lot wavy, but I believe she actually used her wand to add curls. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go off camera, cut the lace, put in, well, I'm going to first see how it fits. Put in, use my wand and put in some curls and just maybe leave some hair out, or, but honestly, let me show you this. This is how it looks. So the hairline looks pretty good. It doesn't look, but I'm gonna take this wig cap off because it's way too obvious. But I think I probably should have gotten the second size because I feel like it's slipping back. So far it's really nice. It's really nice density, no shedding. And one thing I did not like, as soon as I opened the box, ooh, it stunk really bad. So I did not like that. But except for that, there's barely, let me see, did I get like one? I got one strand. And that's it so far. And then, but honestly, ever since I opened up the box, the smell has started to diminish. So that's a good thing. Hey guys, so this is the end result. Yay. I think it looks really good, and I actually have no hair out, so I'm very surprised. Usually I always leave hair out, but I felt like the construction of the lace is so nice and it was done so well. I did pin the sides, like I don't want to glue it down or anything, so I did pin the sides, and I just put a little bit of black eyeshadow around the perimeter of the lace and just a little bit of powder foundation right here to blend in where my scalp is at, but it lays so flat with my parting. Mind you, underneath this wig, I don't have one a net. I did not part my hair. You saw before, it's just all pulled back. So this wig was constructed really well. Like, it was made so well. I'm very satisfied. I'm very impressed. Usually a lot of other wigs that I bought that was of lower quality, the lace doesn't lay flat, or it's just too flimsy, or it's just always a mess. Now, knowing me, I might leave hair out just a little bit, like right here, maybe in the future, but for now I love it. So what I did do, I did take my wand and I just curled it, because I remember she curled it before, and honestly I felt like before I curled it, the wig did seem like it was on the low density side. It didn't seem as thick, but after I curled it, it seemed very thick. So I just really wanted to switch it up and try something that wasn't as long, especially since it's getting warmer. But I'm very satisfied. I think it looks really, really cute. This is really good, especially like, it is called My First Wig, so I do agree this is really good if you're just starting to get new when it comes to wigs. And so that's what I did. I used my wand. I also used beeswax just to lay down the flyaways. And honestly, I'm used to having a part on this side, but it was pre-parted on the side. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to leave it and call it a day and keep it moving. So, but this is it. I think it looks really nice, especially for springtime. I will add highlights just to spruce it up even more, because it does look a little too regular for me. You know, you got to do like the long hair or something different. So I will be adding highlights to this hair. I do feel like the quality of this hair is really good, that it can take on highlights. So I think it's a really good wig. I will have all the specs in the description box. This is My First Wig. Raven Elyse, she designed this wig. It's a wavy bob. It is, I believe it's here it is. It's Malaysian hair bob. It is 14 inches, texture silky. Lace is color light brown. Wig cap is a nude color. It originally cost $240, but I used their discount, so it was $225 with my own money, okay? So that's my review. I think this wig looks great, and it could work for a lot of different people. Also, this is a great everyday wig to me. Like, it looks so realistic, and it's not like too long. Sometimes I just need a break from the length, but knowing me, I bet you next month I'm like, oh, what long hair. So I don't know. But again, this is your girl Urban Chick 1. If you have any questions about this wig, post in the comments below. Yeah, so I love it, and I'll be wearing this for a couple of weeks or so, and look out for a video where I show you how I add highlights to this wig. Okay? So again, it's your girl Urban Chick 1, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Okay? Bye.